One good thing I never like with that song there. The man not got no country school. The man stuck a level. Swear to God.
Oh, shit on earth.
You understand? What to the bad country school? Yo, Skenga, where you
which country school that him did forgot?
Customer, you know what thing, man.
So I want country school.
Yeah, what chair, you know. Fern court, yeah, castle.
So I only watch school alone him forgot.
Don't have mobile, you know. We can go Clarendon, we can go Vera.
Clarendon not country, Major.
Clarendon away?
It's not country. Why we not hear you? You talk of one thing sort out. Hold on. Birds, that means that you talk of one for today.
Yo.
Okay. There you are. Are you sick today?
I'm stressed out. You just stressing me out even more.
Sir, you notice my old what's stressing out now? What should the
It's a pussy problem business
or what? Thief out the whole our money.
If that was the problem.
She thief out the whole of your money.
If that was the problem, it would be a problem.
So I want to
my boss, you know, I want we to get rid of that problem, you know.
Go sleep.
I just get rid of that problem. You see me?
Osh breads, bro.
I'd have a very stressful week this week.
Oh God. Do you want to talk about it?
Not really.
And how does that make you feel?
Upset, obviously.
And how does that make you feel?
Very upset.
And how does that?
Well, and I counseling tonight.
You look so.
It can't. Our brother is in need.
I sang a jug and play was just depressing, bro.
Are you make it a depressive?
You are darkness 100 times, father.
It's a darkness, the thing though.
Play the song
why talking I talk about my general?
Play the song then minus 34, so it's just slow, bro.
Minus 34. God no. You're right now, Breads, and the way my talk, boy, you know. Him just hear the minus terminology and just run with it, you know.
Bread just sound very stressful because you talk a phone turn up very, very loud and we still not hear you.
All the people in the chat the live Instagram.
Yeah, the volume.
The volume,
yeah. Fuck on yourself, you know.
Like
right. I could fix some things, Uncle Ivan, if you can sort out that first, please. Is everything okay on the
Instagram,
live
though,
Instagram has, chopped the live. I don't know. The word stress make them cut the live. What go on?
Mental health and be a thing.
We don't actually. And November is
November?
Male Mental Health Month. I think it is.
I don't know about that.
See that? Me know. I check myself.
So my friend, I tell you, I want to get rid of that problem. I get rid of that problem.
Yeah.
See, here what go on now. We can start a little GoFundMe page.
It's
Is
male
one block fix everything, you know, my friend.
Oh my, but you get a broker, right? Why are we having this conversation?
Why?
I don't know how it reached Dragon.
It says one block fix everything.
All Star?
At least with the short term.
Dragon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Big up with them,
All right, yo. Load back live again, people. Share the live. Uncle Live, we live yet? Talk to me, go on. Share the live.
So the NSM make you stress out, my friend?
This is depressing, bro.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Drink rum then, dog. You know better yet, you can buy a bottle of Gramazone.
All Star? No, we're gonna stop
chase it with a booze. No, we are Jamaican, yo.
No.
In a true fashion of Jamaican is as a Jamaican.
What are you encouraging the young man to do?
As a Jamaican, see how much time we hear somebody say, yo, I'm gonna kill myself.
Yeah, and man drink
and
Amazon.
All of that man say, yo, I'm gonna buy all the rope for you, my boss. So I'm big tick there. Make sure you use that one so you don't break down. No. Oh my God. Look how life nice.
Smooth with it.
What? Yo, all of her are done. Can you see me strong-minded? Once you have life.
Yeah, but not everybody's like that. And it's a good, I don't know.
Yo, right now. I'm not rich.
Yet.
You know, a bag of things now I go home wine for go on, but
yeah.
Me enjoy life, you know, because I want to try to get for try through that earth, you know.
That's true.
You know what somebody did one there when they are with her now.
That's true, but not everybody.
Give thanks for life, man.
Not everybody is as strong as you, and for the man them that isn't as strong as All Star.
So All Star lift weights.
That's not on a serious note, though, brother. No. For the man them, we're not as strong as All Star.
No, what your man not strong business. I like
this is
All Star together.
It's a serious situation now, very, very serious. As I mentioned before,
Steady runs, big up.
November is Mental Health Awareness Month for men, and a lot of men aren't as strong emotionally and mentally to deal with the various situations in life. So man them, we're encouraging you to talk to some people, prioritize your mental health, prioritize your physical health, prioritize eating properly, because that's quite important for, you know, getting back on track. And if you need to chat to somebody, like, what heap of people hard for trust nowadays.
Don't come chat to me, people, because I'm telling you, if you chat to
Dragon
me,
is a serious situation, dog.
it's a serious thing, boy.
Stop joke it out,
if you chat to me,
stop joke it
it's
out.
likely say me link Jojo or me link Pinkwall or one of them. I don't know.
That's a lie,
So
because you're not that type of person.
If you see your business there on Instagram,
That's
don't
a
blame
lie.
me.
That's a lie.
Don't confide in Dragon.
That's a lie. Stop doing that. It's a serious
Can
situation.
you find the number for the line for mental health?
Yeah, we'll find the information and we'll share. But it's a very serious situation. Cause whole heap of man I go through things, you know. Whole heap of man I go through things, and like, brother, like, yeah.
One Lord God big up, you know.
Yeah. Shout out to the man them on the live. Everybody that
You know,
is here, please share
everybody
it.
go on like see them depressed today, and you know.
I
Cool
mean, you
up.
know what?
Yo.
If anybody has stressed out the Dragon, talk to God.
Yeah, don't. That's why I say people life nice, you know.
Yeah, but not everybody's like you, brother. And you say something that is not within your character. I'm not really supportive. But don't talk to you about not grandma's own thing.
Don't come confide in me.
That's a lie. Anyways.
We're not go seek professional help. Dragon is not a doctor.
Anyways,
people, let me just put that out there. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a certified profession.
None of us are.
So don't confine your business with Dragon. Because right now, do me a drink all rum and something.
Lose.
Oh,
No, watch him out lose argument.
Oh, me know why Dragon
Watch the most lose argument. Oh, yeah, some man, piece of money I'm spending. Oh, yeah, my friend.
me know, that's what I say. Yeah.
And we want
Motivational speech.
I want to shout out everybody that is tuned in this evening. Greetings, everybody. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. I'm your girl, the Liquor Brown Rash, Dragon All-Star and the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Madam, big up on herself. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you support them on their weekly events. Check out their Instagram page for more details. Shout out to everybody that is on Instagram, that is also on Facebook, as well as the TGM Radio UK app, where you can listen to us and every other show on the go.
That is true. People do remember, so this coming Saturday is all about bright colors and bottles. You know that is all about 18. Remember that one nice, like, luxurious, elegant venue in South London. So people, if you don't get a ticket, a few tickets left, you can link Breads, you can link me, you can link Ross, you can link anybody. You know Breads party they all about.
Yeah.
Just make sure say, you know, you're forward and enjoy yourself, because the party is a nice, clean, fun party. You don't know anything going on.
DJs on the night.
Remember, everybody look a bit stressed out because the weather changed and the sky dark. Everybody feel depressed from what they are. Come out. That's why we say bright colors and bottle.
Yeah.
We are make it feel like summer, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So just come out in your bright clothes them. All the one little pants we have from summer we wear about 1-2 times. You know, you circle summer gears and wear. You know, get a one wear. You look a bright yellow shirt and them wear there.
Yeah.
Come out cheap and trendy.
Bagger British,
and,
Black
you know,
Knight Sound, Kells International, X1 Sound, Fresh Vibes plus more will be your entertainers on the night. Breads are gonna do the smooth with it in my practice. In their practice in my studio. Yeah.
It's a good look party.
And I'm going with himself. So
it's
you don't know
party.
it's a good event to be at this weekend, to make sure that you get your tickets.
It's a weekend time I dance in the studio.
I practice.
Get a camera and the people so I go on.
Uncle Ives not praying in the man in my general. Uncle Ives can't.
Uncle Ives, run the camera them.
Run the camera.
Yo, God
next
no.
week, camera 3, you see me?
But
Yo, God no. When Uncle Ives do him, myself about career in my father.
Yeah, still a dance. Christmas are forward now.
Christmas are coming.
Yeah, as we talk about Christmas, let's speak about this. Like,
Yes.
do anybody realize, say, in terms of like the culture, our culture, in terms of the Christmas thing, is dying and everything else? Like everybody's culture is moving forward. Like for instance, now we have what you call a lights up there? Diwali, pay fireworks a bus. When Christmas time, you know, nobody, people are they put a pepper lighter, you know, the whole little Christmas spirit gone.
You know, is it in America that's not but
what is not going to happen? Talking at the fire phone, my general.
See, spirit when I talk about America, them plan for Christmas.
Yeah.
Everybody them plan for that's
Yeah.
them. But like over here in the black community, it's like as I get older, you just have the kids there, buy them to give fantastic. You know, really
the tradition.
Like, you don't feel the energy no more like back in the day. Even in Jamaica, it go on, but
it's not as strong
but
as it
no
used
crime
to be.
there in Jamaica, you know, say Christmas and Boxing Day and all them something days like. You see me? So I just that. As we get older, it's like, by put them two games.
Yeah. But then we have to talk about Grand Market Night as well. How Grand Market Night used to be back in Jamaica when we were younger.
When a team gone a Grand Market yet.
Yeah, but Grand Market happens before Christmas.
Hold on, when I reach so far, I'm talking about the build up for Christmas, you know?
Okay, more specific.
When people start feeling like a Christmas spirit and people start also extra harder, you know? They start put things in preparation. Black Friday now.
17.
Most people, most little
pre-deals
shop and thing are do deals. But most people start get themselves preparation for Christmas. Not everybody anticipate the whole Christmas and December and that thing they like. Nobody now do it now. Right now, I go to all white rice, I cook all Christmas day because the big cooking now go on. You know, one night time, you know, Christmas forward, you know.
Forward to it.
Yeah, get our 3 invites. We go at 3 different yard, go have 3 different dinner. You know, you can go over there to have a drink and that. It's more like the promoter they are taking advantage of the whole holiday thing instead of the people, you know, the whole feeling where you could have there on your friends and family.
So why are you gonna go there?
But promoters always had events during those times.
Yes, Christmas day itself, every grown adult knows it.
It's a part, after family dinner.
Done,
you go.
And present pull.
Yeah.
You have 5 hours before midnight fucking doing shit.
That's true.
But people say, I'm not gonna wait. I see my family. Some nights you take one day and only take the family. After, you know, the present and the cutting and this and that and this, take a video on Instagram and Snapchat and whatever. 2 hours later, you're like, yo, Dragon, wait there. Ras, wait there. You want to do something. So if you do something and keep it local to the situation, there, just go, bro.
One thing I tell me, when a man come on Christmas, Christmas is for family. You see that something there, the goat and thing on Christmas day. I not do that something, my boss. You see, Christmas, you drink some liquor in your yard.
Call up your family, them.
You play some board game, you know, watch some TV, you chat some fuckery, play some domino. That one on Christmas, my boss.
Say,
you got your circle to your virgin or to your family, madam house. Or them circle, you know, eat a second and drink beer. That's how Christmas go on for me. I don't know about the party thing, you know, because Christmas Eve is normally party night. Then you break Christmas, relax, drink some, have an early night and Boxing Day again.
For that. As I talk about that, DJ Bizzo.
Yes.
This is Bizzo there.
Who are you referring
We
to?
are referring to.
From over north. I keep up a Christmas Day party. I'm gonna do some giveaway and be something. So that's what I go.
On Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day.
Because
get more details so we can plug it later.
Giveaway is going on.
Because I know people want giveaway to go.
Huh?
I know the woman them go want giveaway to go, so I'm going to go.
For the woman them?
Yeah.
Oh.
And big Christmas
night when nobody.
Christmas night. Where
close to Boxing Day.
by hold on there now. I'm gonna tell the truth. By 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, my junk.
True.
And my belly full.
Like you.
Where may I go?
And by 12:01, it's Boxing Day.
Yeah,
Christmas done.
Yeah,
Bad
but
man,
it's
by-
still under the
By 11, 12 o'clock, I'm
No.
supposed to sleep in Christmas, you know.
That is you, not me.
You get me? Drunk gonna work on Sunday.
Listen, I am flying out the same day, so me have to just sleep on the plane. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyway, let's speak about some local news. I don't know if anybody been watching the Jamaica space. Like recently, we see a few bomb threats.
One sec. So for all who do not want to go to a party like Dragon, it's weird because Carlin Buzz,
Yes.
I feel they're doing every year them do Christmas donation for Christmas meal for people who is unfortunately cannot afford to have a meal. So it's Christmas Day, and we're gonna put the flyers up after the show so anyone can link them, and they will tell you what to do.
Okay, and that's Carleen_Buzz.
Yeah, but it's Skills Within Presents. I think she's under the same banner.
Yeah, but you get in touch with Carleen_Buzz for more information.
Charity, yeah.
Yes, definitely.
All right, so anybody whenever can afford Christmas dinner, remember you can go there and get some food seen.
And she obviously is looking for donations for people.
Mega donate too.
Yeah, we're looking for donations to support the cause as well, because these things take money.
Remember, people, so my
big up
time
yourself,
donation can feel like say, yo, you buy an extra chicken, you know?
Yeah.
It doesn't
You
have
buy
to
an
be
extra bottle of wine.
Yeah.
It don't have to be money, because
Something.
like nowadays,
plates, whatever you can do.
people very skeptical with money because you know the whole past scamming thing. So
Yeah.
it don't have to be monetary. It could be items. So if you can donate a thing, go donate a thing. You
And
see
if
me?
you're not sure about calling up on our page, she even done a sleep thing in the cold for charity as well for the same situation. So and calling a situation where she never had to do it. So she been doing it every year. So it's something where I guarantee no selling scam. Because she can't run anyway, so it don't make a difference.
But anyway, let's move on to some local news. I want to say local matter Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
You know, Jamaica our local. See,
Far local.
so move on to some local news. So I don't see if anybody see it on the media or the newspapers or anything recently. In Jamaica, we've been having a loads of bomb threat recently. First, it starts off in the school. Then, you know, a few little schools get bomb threat. Then it go over WAF.
It was more than a few little schools. There was a lot of schools.
Then today, where the big building down at town name, I forgot. Sorry.
It's not the digital building?
No, it's not the digital business. I think what are them big bank there?
Stanton,
Bankos.
Santander.
Where's the fuck, yeah.
What
are the
Scotia
bank?
Bank.
It's Scotia.
Scotia.
It's not Scotia Bank, but it's Scotia
Yeah.
Bank.
But it's close
the
to the
big brown building.
Yeah, it's Scotia
What,
Bank.
I forgot that one.
BOJ?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's the right
the
think
Bank
so.
of Jamaica?
Yeah, Bank of no.
It actually
no,
says Scotia Bank, but it's not
But
Scotia Bank.
anyway, you know what you're talking about. So
Downtown.
that building them have full evacuation. So I'm wondering if it's somebody pranking.
They've captured the gentleman who they suspect of the bomb hoax
No, but when them capturing
today. Well, I mean, the news report came out that he's...
So this man I go island wide.
We don't know. Like, he could be the organizer.
Like I feel like someone like this, you know, lock them up.
Beat them up.
No, you put them to the community and make the community beat them.
Hold on.
You want police
Hold
like kind of
on.
monitor the situation
Because
so them not
the
kill them.
gentleman is of unsound mind. That is what is being shared with us in the public. So he wasn't, based on the information that is being put out, the prosecution argued that he was not a fit candidate. Well, for bail, that's different. But he was deemed as a gentleman of unsound mind. That's the information we received.
At this moment, no, right? Like in a school in Jamaica, right? That's why I feel like the system is flying certain way. If they say there's a bomb in the school in Jamaica, right?
Yes.
Or in a school.
Yeah.
Because if I get that information, first thing you do, you check. You check because obviously most of the room occupied at the time.
Yes, but
because school, you see the school I'm seeing in Jamaica, is spread out.
yeah.
So you check. And we know say why the fuck somebody would have bomb a school.
But it's multiple schools at the same time.
And at the end of the day,
At the same time. We have to be cognizant
if
of
somebody
that.
call or me call 999 or 911 or whatever,
119.
or 119 saying, and you tell them, say, yo, I'm bomb down a station. I laugh after me, you know.
Why?
You mean, 'cause if me work in a blood class station and you call me, tell me, so I'm bombing there. Then I laugh after you, 'cause I whole day me there, you know. I'm not seeing a bomb here, you know.
You know, see.
You see
Dog.
the naivety.
But you ever,
yeah.
but you, hold on
Dragon
there.
don't think like
You know your
that.
history of Jamaica, you ever in a building a blow up?
No.
Otherwise from Tivoli Incursion.
In the history,
But then again, anything can happen nowadays.
In the history of America, you ever see a plane flying in a building before?
Yeah, America a crazy place, brother. Anything can happen.
But you realize-
before it happened, did you ever see
Bad
that
man,
happening?
America is a crazy place.
No,
Anything
the
can happen.
point-
America have a whole enemy.
So what do you consider as
Jamaica already
Jamaica
has a-
nowadays?
Yeah.
Jamaica not an enemy
Jagan,
in terms of like
Jagan.
them sitting there.
With the bomb threat
We,
thing,
we have to be scared of terrorists and them sitting there.
you see the bomb threat
We are
thing?
terrorists that bomb Jamaica far now.
It's not a terrorist. It's somebody of the local country.
And no, like
It's
normally,
somebody who is a resident of the
Jagan,
country.
Jagan.
rest of my boss, hold on now.
Let me ask a question, eh?
Yeah.
So now, somebody calling and said them blow up the school.
Oh, yeah.
And you, as a policeman, say, yo, lock off the phone. Then 3 school blow up in a Simon Stevens
Yeah, it's a
situation, yeah.
rotted
And
dog.
then them chase back, say the man, they say him
Him they are gonna do it, yeah.
Sergeant Jagan and
Yeah.
say, yo, F off.
Ring out to mama.
Regardless of the prank or not, yeah.
You have a
You have to
responsibility.
respond.
You have a
Just like if you
responsibility.
call police right now and say, yo, you know, say 4 you touch with knife and then forward a body there. And if I 10 you call him, they get pissed off.
But they have a due
They have
diligence.
to respond. You know why?
But birds, hold on there. Look on it now, seeing. Me and my good business place, seeing. And all, somebody call and say, bomb in there, and police are come and tell me, say, me fi evacuate my staff them. For me stop make money.
So you're only concerned about the money.
Hold on now, hold
No,
on.
you're only concerned about the money.
Hold on now. Not because I say money.
That-
Because, especially if you're running a small business, you're operating a small business, right? You know, say, you're there from man and you know the ins and outs of your building and blah, blah, blah. You see the people who come in and out.
Yeah.
And the people who come in and out on the front page.
Yeah.
And anything on the front page like a bomb would be easily visible. If somebody call you and tell you some fuckery or some oaks, fever, you're the best. Remember, you know, you're lows, you know.
Dog, that thinking is not a good one.
Dragon.
So,
It's not-
so,
it's
so
not
what
a
I
good
know?
thinking.
Me and all my house asleep.
Yeah.
Seeing?
Yeah.
Alright, put it that way. Yeah. Me and my house. Fuck. Me get a seat pass, I fuck, and them say bomb threat. Yeah, brother, I just blow up that blood clot if bomb in there. No,
But that's a different scenario, bro.
It's not a different.
It is-
I mean, in their sleep.
No,
if in their sleep.
you've brought
yo,
up a different
just allow it,
scenario.
man.
The scenario that you use is you have a small business
Mm-hmm.
and you've gotten a call
live
to
is frozen.
say that there's a bomb threat at your business place. You're concerned about money. You're not concerned about the staff members that you have. You're not concerned about your own safety. You're concerned about money. Them they thinking their brother would I get in trouble.
But hold on,
Because
it's a pattern.
hold on, Uncle as the live is freezing. Can you sort that out for us, please? Because at the end of the day, any of them staff members there could have brought the bomb in. We're just saying hypothetically. You're saying, oh, you're up on the ground from morning and ray. You don't know what is happening. Like we can't have that thinking, and we can't say, oh, jungle justice for happen because we don't know. Dog.
Do you take them things that serious in Jamaica, like bomb threats and that?
Nowadays,
No,
yes.
You
In
don't.
Jamaica.
You don't.
Nowadays.
I still don't.
You would say don't.
You would
because
say
of
don't
the
because
culture.
but I mean
It's-
anything can happen.
In Jamaica, it's not because of the culture. Like certain resource and knowledge is not easily acquired in Jamaica.
How does
at the
one make
moment.
a bomb?
Eh?
How does one make a bomb?
Several different ways.
Right. They make home bombs, right?
Well, I'm
Oh,
boss.
no. Let me ask you questions. They make
Yes,
home bombs, right?
yes,
You can
and-
learn how to make a home bomb on YouTube, right?
No, not really. Some of them think that not really. Them
But
think
there
they come off YouTube.
there are various websites you can go on the
You
dark.
can.
Right. So don't say that.
But hold on, Rasta, you have to put in the toops of factor don't sniss in Jamaica.
Brother,
Hold on,
there are
I'm a
smart
boss.
people who can do it.
I'm
Don't
not,
do that.
Me not say
Don't do
that.
that.
I don't
Me
say
not
that. If you're
appreciate that.
smart enough, you also like, this not make sense. Most smart people, you ever see smart people are the fucker?
Just like the scammer them, no
Yeah.
smart enough.
Huh?
Yeah, you see.
Smart people are really the fucker, you know.
Dragon.
Especially when they're not earning. Because in Jamaica, most of the, what you call it, the vicious and the brutal crime them
Right.
is either a hit or somebody out to try to make some money or something.
Yeah.
Like, but in other sense, that's fucking crime. Why you don't want to put a bomb in our school for no reason?
Just like a man go shoot for school for no reason.
I call for attention.
Call for attention. If you want
You
call,
don't-
if you want call for attention, here we go do. Go fire some sort of a station and tell the police them say, "Wanna come take me on."
Yo, Dragon, same
Aye.
like people that say, yeah, a man who mad enough
For do
to
something.
shoot up a
Yeah.
station and throw a grenade in there. And what did they do?
Yeah. Them do
Shoot
the
up a
same thing.
station and throw a grenade in there.
Yep.
Kind of thing say, throw a police, you know, Jamaica police there already. A man that free for God them yard go do it. Dragon, nowadays than before, different. Nowadays,
Things are people more brazen nowadays.
Alright, the man them mentally, I'm going to boom and make a,
That is what is being said. Yeah.
he make a bomb where he know say right. Same work for the building we are talking about.
Mm.
I know say if him not for kill everybody, you know. Him say, you know what? Somebody piss him off work. I say, look, say woman fuck for them whatever.
Right.
Make a bomb where can put with the gas cylinder them there.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever happen afterwards.
Share the live, guys.
It not for be a bomb kill everybody, you know, but it can do damage.
It can do damage. It
I-
not for hurt everybody, but it hurt a one and few.
Or the man
It
plant
can
a
do
bomb
damage.
in a basket.
Yeah.
Bro, nowadays the dragon, yeah. Through Jamaica and the Caribbean, it would sound very, very weird and a shock and that's why it probably kill most people.
I don't really believe in that because I any idea you see this bomb thing, especially in Jamaica. I don't feel like say Jamaica gone that far as yet. But because at a time we don't want to dwell too much about this,